How to separate audio and video in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video clip you want to work with into the timeline. Next, right-click on the video clip in the timeline that contains both audio and video. From the menu that appears, select Ungroup Clips, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift G. This will separate the audio track from the video track. Now you will see the audio appear as a separate clip below the video on the timeline. You can move, edit, or delete the audio independently from the video as needed. If you want to link them back together, just select both clips, right-click, and choose Group Clips. And that's it. Now you know how to separate audio and video in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.